Doesn't matter. The bigger things you have, the more scary you are. All the animals know that, including him. So that's why now he spots the predator. He wants to scare them away.
Slam dunk like the great Michael Jordan. Everybody, what are you ready for? Get your cameras ready.
Oh, really?
Now she's going to put the ball.
Isa lang mo.
See, we have a net over there. She's going to put the ball into the net right now. Joshua! Yes, it's not a slam dunk. It's more like a slam bomb.
What's wrong, Sakura? Oh, she got the wrong MJ.
Hello! There's only one Michael Jordan, you know.
Right all the way over here.
Excellently executed.
Okay.
And now, to further impress you with her basketball skills, she is now going to attempt the reverse slam dunk. This time, without even running. Alright, Sakura, you ready?
There you go.
You know what to do.
Reverse.